Hey there and welcome to After Work. My name is Valentine, and in this channel we talk about various data science topics that are important when you're starting out your data science career. If such topics interest you, be sure to subscribe to this channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about the most important reason why you should become a data scientist. Of course, there's so many reasons why you should become a data scientist. Maybe you want to become a data scientist because this particular career path is aligned with what you learned in campus, or maybe you might want to become a data scientist because there are many opportunities, or maybe it's because it pays a lot, the data science role. So but in this video we're just going to talk about the most important reason, majorly because this particular reason will help you to navigate those moments, those tough moments that you might come across when you are working as a data scientist. So the most important reason why you should become a data scientist is impact. This is impact that you might create for the organization and the stakeholders that would be impacted by the work that you do. Maybe you work for a non-governmental organization, and the kind of projects that you get to work on might end up impacting millions, if not, a local community. And when you think about impact in such a case, it would be the reason why you wake up every morning knowing that probably your work is going to help people live for longer. It's going to help organizations be able to administer the right resources, and that would lead to efficiently solving for problems that many people face. And when you look at that as a result, when people get products that really address what they are facing in terms of the problems, then they become happy. So impact is the most important reason why you should become a data scientist. And I tend also to think about how the Maslow hierarchy of needs tends to have a self-actualization level at the very top. And if you are really so much concerned of purpose and knowing that every day when you wake up there's some sort of purpose that you're chasing, knowing the impact that you're going to be creating with your work will actually make you navigate those moments that are really tough when it comes to data science. And data science is hard. You would need to really think about how you can do lots of research in order to come up with effective solutions for organizations and for many other persons who are directly involved in the process, maybe customers, clients, or just people who are also going to be affected by your work. All right, so that's it for this video. That's the most important reason why you should become a data scientist. That's impact. So if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you're able to get notified when we post such future videos. All right, see you in the next video.